I'm noticing, dear Virgo, that we're going to continue the energy of grounding and making sure that you align with the energy of grounding. Because your decisions in your life right now need to come from a space where you feel completely grounded. And in order for you to feel completely grounded, you also have to stop making certain decisions that don't support you to feel completely grounded. And that could be, for example, it could be very simple, a change in diet, just as an example. Because a change in diet can support you to feel far more present and far more grounded. Because let's say certain things that you're putting into your body are creating a lot of mental noise. Maybe certain ingredients don't work for your body. And so removing the ingredients that don't work for your body, and in particular your mind, and instead shifting them to ingredients that do, that there can be your game changer. And that's the thing that will help you to continue to stay grounded. And then your decisions are now from a grounded space. So you're now operating naturally from a very grounded space. So whatever it is that you need to shift in order to be grounded, because there are certain decisions you're making that are not useful and not supporting you to be grounded, they're the decisions that you need to step away from. And in order for you to be able to do that, you have to tune in. Place both feet firmly flat on the ground and take some time to bring your attention here now. So use the sensations in the inner energy field of your body that will support you to be here and now, because those sensations are the doorway into the here and now. And you'll feel yourself moving into stillness or silence, same thing, same energy anyway, stillness or silence, and or both. And from there you'll feel, I can feel the decision that isn't honoring me to be grounded.